Factor through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Zachary Dayton in the D11 on the outside. Row number 1, Travis Mills and Brandon Haga in row number 2. Corey Willard and Wayne Hughes in row number 3. Row number 4 going to be Dale Cox and Chad Lilly. Row number 5 going to be Dirk Snover and Stone Webb. In row number 6 going to be Denver Simpson and Sammy Jasper. In row number 7 going to be Chris Mills and Kenny Crawford to make up your 14-car Legends car field here tonight. Rack them. They're going to stack up 2 by 2. Going to roll into the start zone. Green flag in the air. Bill Pritchett going to look to take him down into turn number 1 on the bottom, and we've got him around in the corner. Caution is out. We will re-rack them. No laps complete. Bill Pritchett Jr., Brandon Hager in that number 3 position. Travis Mills, Denver Simpson in the 8. Sport Modifieds to staging. Sport Modifieds, put them in staging. Sport Modifieds, put them in staging, please. Wayne Hughes around in the 18. And I believe the next attempt's going to be single file. Zachary Dayton in that D11 under fire now from the 19 machine of Bill Pritchett. Pritchett up on the top side, ripping the cushion, hanging with him there off the corner down the straightaway. Going to be a drag race in a 1 and 2. Pritchett up on the top side. Zachary Dayton in the D11 now going to fall back to second. Brandon Hagan riding in the 3rd position. Travis Mills, Corey Willard, Dale Cox there in 6th. And we got one smoking heavily. Oh, on fire. One is on fire and down into the infield. That's going to be the 4 of Brandon Hagan, and he is going to have to bail out. He is bailing out, and he is out. Driver is okay and out, it looks like. That is the 4, I believe, of Brandon Hagan. You could see the smoke, and evidently it was oil, and it caught flame, and she went boom, boom, and caught that fire. Over the D11 of Zachary Deaton as he's in that 2nd position. Glad to see the 4 of Brandon Hager was okay there. Pritchett in the 19. The D11 right there in his tire tracks. The 30 of Mills there in third. Coming now next time by white flag. Pritchett under fire. Zachary Dean there in second. Deaton now looking underneath Pritchett. Here we go. Time for the money lap. 1 lap to go. Pritchett and the D11. Will he throw it into turn number 3? D, no contact. Pritchett up on the top side, slamming the door. It's going to be Bill Pritchett Jr., your winner. The modified regular with a Legends car win over the D11 of Deaton, followed by the 30 of Mills. Let's hear it, race fans, for Bill Pritchett in the 19. One more time, let's hear it for Bill Pritchett in victory lane. Fan club in full effect there for Pritchett. He'll be the first driver to visit down to Boyd Cat Rental victory lane.